In this video, I will demonstrate upgrading Management Agent across multiple virtual machines. Here are the agents that I will upgrade to the latest version of Management Agent. To do that, let's go to GitHub to find the latest files. Go to the Oracle Management Agent Quick Start project on GitHub. The link is in the description below this video. To clone the repository to your local virtual machine, click the Code button and then click HTTPS. Now, copy the URL to clone the repository to your local VM. Next, go to Deployment, Ansible, Playbooks. Click the readme.md file and confirm the prerequisites for both the local and the target hosts are complete. Next, click Hosts to view the host file. Under the target host, enter either all the IP addresses or all the fully qualified domain names that Management Agent needs to be upgraded on. The Ansible user is the user that will make the secure SSH connection. This is the Ansible SSH private key file that's used for the SSH secure connection from the local VM to the target host. In this example, I've already cloned the repository to my local VM. Now, on the command line, I will export the compartment _ OCID as the environmental variable. This is where I want to upgrade the Management Agent. Next, in your local repository, go to deployment/Ansible-Playbooks. To list the contents of the host file, enter the command cat hosts. Now I see the host file contents. Confirm the values in the host file are correct. In GitHub, the mgmt_agent_upgrade.yaml file is the file used to upgrade the Management Agent. Go to the readme.md file and find the Upgrading Agent section. Copy the command to upgrade the Management Agent. Go to the command line and execute this command. After a successful execution, the output looks something like this. Now, let's go to Oracle Cloud to confirm the agents upgraded successfully. In Oracle Cloud, click the navigation menu, go to Observability and Management, Management Agent, and then click Agents. To find the list of agents installed, click Agents and Gateways. Select the compartment where the Management Agents are installed. Now, I can see the Management Agent is upgraded to the latest version. This is how multiple agents are upgraded across multiple hosts. The related links to the documentation are in the description below this video.